it is a third part or third video of M2. In last video, we solved the converse of basic proportionality theorem and solved the practice set 1.2. In last video, we skip a one example of practice set 1.2. Therefore, we will solve that question first and then we proceed to next part. First, the 10th question of practice set 1.2 is, in the figure, x is any point in interior of triangle. This x point, it is any point in a triangle, interior part of triangle. Point x is joined to vertices of triangle. X, it joins the vertices of triangle DXE, DXF and EXF. These are three triangles, and segment PQ is parallel to DE. Segment QR is parallel to EF. Then fill in the blanks to prove that segment PR is parallel to DF. Segment PR is parallel to DF. Here some blanks are there and we have to prove PR is parallel to DF by using the basic proportionality theorem. Let us solve. In triangle XDE, PQ is parallel to DE. Therefore, why it is seen that, say that it is a given part. PQ is parallel to DE. Therefore, write here given. If PQ is parallel to DE, then we see that basic proportionality theorem, that is XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. Therefore, write here XP upon PD is equal to XQ upon QE. Therefore, write here XQ. It is of number 1 and reason is basic proportionality theorem. Then next, in triangle XEF, QR is parallel to EF. It is also a given. Therefore, write here given. Here also, by basic proportionality theorem, we say that XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon RF. Therefore, write here XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon RF. The reason is basic proportionality theorem. From 1 and 2, if we observe 1 and 2, here XQ upon QE is equal to XP upon PD, and in 2, XQ upon QE is equal to XR upon RF. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we say that XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. Therefore, write here XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. Let us see in the diagram. XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF. If we remember the converse of basic proportionality theorem, then we say that if XP upon PD is equal to XR upon RF, then we say that segment or line PR is parallel to DF. That is the proof. Segment PR is parallel to segment DE by converse of basic proportionality theorem, hence the proof. Now, let us see next part is similar triangles. In first video, we saw that the difference between congruent triangles and similar triangles. The congruent triangles are having congruent angles as well as congruent sides, and these triangles are exactly matched to each other. But in similar triangles, we know that if we consider these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F, and side AB upon BE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are the similar triangles. Then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are the similar triangles, and these similar triangles are denoted as triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. It is already we saw that. Now we will see the test of similarity of triangles. The similarity of triangles which is necessary, the conditions are that the corresponding sides are in the same proportion and their angles are also, corresponding angles are also congruent. This, out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. म्हणजे सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स जे आहेत ते सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स मधली सिमिलॅरिटी जी आहे ती दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्याला महत्त्वाच्या कंडिशन्स आहेत की त्याच्या साइड्स ज्या आहेत त्या प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये असल्या पाहिजेत आणि अँगल्स जे आहेत ते कॉन्ग्रंट असले पाहिजेत. नाउ वी सॉ दॅट द two similar triangles are having compulsory their sides are in proportion, equal proportion, and the angles are congruent. Out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. This means for similarity of two triangles, only three specific conditions are sufficient. म्हणजे कोणतेही दोन ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत हे दाखवण्यासाठी कुठल्याही तीन स्पेसिफिक कंडिशन्स जे आहेत त्या सॅटिस्फाय झालं तरी सुद्धा आपण त्यावरनं सिमिलर ट्रायंगल जे आहेत ते दाखवू शकतो. ऍज लाईक ए कॉन्ग्रंट ट्रायंगल. जसं आपण कॉन्ग्रंट ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये जरी 6 कंडिशन्स असल्या, दोन ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत हे सांगण्यासाठी 3 साइड्स आणि 3 अँगल्स आपल्याला कॉन्ग्रंट दाखवणं हे गरजेचं आहे. म्हणजे एकूण 6 क्वांटिटीज कॉन्ग्रंट दाखवणं गरजेचं आहे. पण टेस्ट ऑफ कॉन्ग्रन्सीज यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं की ओनली 3 कंडिशन्स आर सो सफिशियंट फॉर द प्रूव्हिंग द कॉन्ग्रन्सी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. सिमिलरली द सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स आर हॅव्हिंग ऑल्सो 3 सफिशियंट कंडिशन्स फॉर द प्रूव्हिंग द सिमिलॅरिटी. And the group of such sufficient conditions are called tests of similarity. अशा पद्धतीनं जे आपण 3 कंडिशन्स किंवा 3 ग्रुप जे घेतलेला आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2 sides 1, if we take 2 sides and 1 angle SAS, if we take 2 angle and 1 side ASA, if we take 3 angles it is AAA. It means any 3 conditions if we take for proving the similarity of any 2 triangles, it is sufficient to 3 conditions. Therefore, let us see what are the tests of similarity of triangles. Their first test is AAA, test of similarity of triangles. AAA, it stands for angle, 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 test for similarity of triangles. Let us observe these 2 diagrams, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these 2 triangles, we have some congruency signs. Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. If we observe these two triangles, here triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in one-to-one correspondence, it means ABC one-to-one correspondence, PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Then we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and this test of similarity is called as AAA, test of similarity. Hence, it is the similarity test. Then, what is the statement of AAA test of similarity for triangles? It is for a given correspondence of vertices when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. Corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then these triangles are similar. मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन जो कॉलम आहे त्यामध्ये एक्सप्लेन केलेले जे काही टर्म्स आहेत त्या आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये किंवा एक्झाम्स मध्ये विचारले जाणार नाहीत. तर इथे आपल्याला पेज नंबर 17 वरती प्रूफ ऑफ एएए टेस्ट दिलेली आहे. प्रूफ ऑफ एएए टेस्ट जी आहे ती थेरमच्या स्वरूपामध्ये दिलेली आहे. थेरम जो आहे तो आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये विचारला जाणार नाही, पण त्या थेरमचा उपयोग मात्र आपल्याला पुढे काही एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये करायचा आहे. आणि म्हणून आपल्या इन्फॉर्मेशनसाठी, आपल्या माहितीसाठी म्हणून या पेज यावरती इथं फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन मध्ये ते दिलेलं आहे. आपण जर तो थेरम व्यवस्थित वाचला तर आपल्या लक्षात येईल. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज AA test for similarity of triangles. If we observe these two triangles, triangle ABC and PQR, here angle A is congruent to angle P and angle B is congruent to angle Q. We know that if two angles of one triangle is congruent to corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the remaining third angle are also congruent angles. म्हणजेच दोन ट्रायंगल मध्ये कुठलेही दोन अँगल्स जर कॉन्ग्रंट दिलेले असतील तर तिसरा अँगल जो आहे तो आपोआप कॉन्ग्रंट असतो. इट मीन्स दॅट in the AA test of similarity we say that when two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar triangles, and this condition is called AA test of similarity. तर अशा पद्धतीने ही कंडिशन जी आहे त्या ह्या टेस्टला जी आहे ती AA टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी जी आहे ते म्हणलं जातं. देन now third test of similarity is SAS test of similarity. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, one angle C is congruent to angle R, and side AC upon side PR is equal to side BC upon side QR. It means that in any two triangles, if one angle is congruent and two sides are in proportion, in these two triangles, triangle ABC, one-to-one correspondence PQR, angle C is congruent to angle R and side AC upon PR is equal to, AC is of 2 and PR is of 4. Therefore 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are is equal to 1/2, and side BC upon QR is equal to 4 upon 8. It is also equal to 1 upon 2. It means that AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. If in these 1-to-1 correspondence, angle C is congruent to R and AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR, then these two triangles are similar triangles. This is the SAS test of similarity of triangles. In this test, we say that for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion and the angles between them आर कॉन्ग्रंट, दोन साइडच्या दरम्यान असलेला अँगल आणि ते दोन साइड्स प्रपोर्शन मध्ये असतील आणि हे अँगल्स जर कॉन्ग्रंट असतील तर ते दोन ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर असतात. देन अँगल्स बिटवीन देम आर कॉन्ग्रंट, देन द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. इट इज द टेस्ट ऑफ SAS टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी. देन फोर्थ टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स. इफ वी ऑब्झर्व these two triangles, here side AB upon PQ is equal to 2 upon 4. It means it is 1 upon 2. Then BC upon QR is equal to 4 upon 8 is of 1 upon 2. And AC upon PR is equal to 3 upon 6 is of 1 upon 2. That is, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, by 1-to-1 correspondence ABC in PQR, if AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, then these two triangles are similar triangles. It is a SSS test of similarity of triangles. And this statement of this similarity test of similarity is for a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to correspondence three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar triangles.